Hi, I'm Katie with St. Mary's County Libraries. This is Teen Craft Corner, and in honor of the year 2020, we will be making DIY squishy stress balls. Let's get started. Starting with your materials, you will need a water bottle, a funnel, some flour, 3 latex balloons, and a pair of scissors. For our first step, you'll want to funnel all of that flour into your water bottle. If you find that the flour does not want to go down the funnel, just grab a fork or a spoon or a chopstick or whatever you have nearby and just poke it through the flour to help it get through the funnel. The next step is to simply grab your latex balloon and blow it up. You're then going to start twisting the balloon at the stem, and what you're doing is sealing the air inside the balloon so you can stretch the opening over the top of your water bottle. Make sure you have an airtight seal here. You don't want any of that air escaping. Next, we're going to simply flip the whole thing over and dump all that flour into our balloon. Next, you are going to pinch the stem of your balloon and carefully remove the water bottle. You'll want to let the air out as slow as possible, or it looks something like this. Yeah, we don't want that to happen. So let the air out as slow as you can. Once you've removed all the air from your balloon, you're going to grab your scissors and cut the stem off at the base. So next you're going to grab your second balloon and remove all the flour, because if you're anything like me, there is now flour everywhere, and you're going to cut the stem off of that balloon as well. So just like you would a swim cap, you're going to stretch that balloon right over the top of your first one. Repeat those last few steps for balloon number 3. And you're done. Hopefully following along with me didn't cause you any stress, but if it did, you now have your very own squishy stress ball. Thanks for watching this episode of Teen Craft Corner. Bye now!